Hi, welcome to this video. Right, so before I actually continue into this video, which is about order flow, I just want to do a quick market update from yesterday's YouTube video, where I did say there was a long position and we were estimating that would take out the 65.7 highs, and we've obviously now sitting at 66.2. Let me just replay that for you. Is a mean reversion trade currently at the moment. And if we do reclaim previous day low and reclaim this VWAP, there's a good chance we can come and test the weekend highs and also PD high as well. But we need to flip this as support. So the moment we actually flip that as support, preferably on I would say a daily time frame, is when we can look for higher prices. So very good, nice. So we can see basically that's exactly what happened. If we have a look at order flow, we can see that we came back and tested both of these VWAPs and we expanded higher. And that's because we saw buy pressure coming in, buyers, and we also had delta nearly 200 million, which is an expansion up. So currently we are at 66.2, finding a bit of resistance, and I would expect a bit of a pullback for a continuation up to 67.2, break 67.2, and you're looking at 71, 72K. In my opinion, we are front running FOMC, simple as that, and the earnings. And I don't care what you think about that. I've seen this shit before. Now, the purpose of this video is to really understand order flow. And order flow, it may look intimidating, but it can really help you day trade. If you want to trade Bitcoin and you want to make consistent gains up to 5 or 6 trades a week, technically I can trade Bitcoin 3 times a day, every single day. There's always a trade. I don't care what any other YouTuber says, because they are very limited in knowledge and they're very limited in what they can actually show. And I'm going to start proving this in the next upcoming days and weeks. And we're going to be using AI as well. Now, this ain't about AI. This is about strictly order flow. Buyers and sellers, bids and asks, trap traders, etc. Now, this video isn't going to explain to you how to trade like me, and I can show you some trades right now. We can see all of these trades here, which have been taken realistically in the last 8 days, maybe. So they're all consistent gains, very fast trades. Well, they're not very fast trades, they're just day trades with certain levels that we know are going to be hit either in advance, but more importantly, live trading. And that's what you need to really understand, because when you look at gains like this, and I've taken these trades on Blofin. Why? Because we'll come to that in a second. If we look at gains like this, consistent gains, it doesn't matter where price is, it's just reading order flow. All you need to do is to understand how to read order flow. It's like a child learning to read his first book. It's the same with order flows. It looks intimidating, but you can always get a trade. How do you think institutional traders come and trade? I come from an institutional background, but how do you think they trade? Do you think they sit on YouTube looking for going through various streams and looking for a trade, then missing the trade, then getting disappointed? No. If you want to be a successful trader, you need to learn order flow. It's very, very simple. So the purpose of this video is to really educate you that there's always going to be a trade. Like, for example, if we have a look at, let's have a look at this price. Where is it? There was yesterday's trades, which were longs, And I believe that I took a short here. Let me have a quick look at that. So here's a quick short I took at 64.11 to 63.88, and it's a scalp trade. So that's 60. Where is that? That's going to be somewhere around here. Okay. So it's that trade there down to there, and then I took a long as well. So there's a short here, there's a long here, secondary long, short trade, retest of this, continuation up. These trades are all in this folder. They're all actually in this folder here that I've taken. They're all here. I'm not going to go through them one by one. That's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is if you want to be a successful trader, it doesn't matter what you're trading, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's NASDAQ or whatever, you need to learn order flow. So I've actually recorded a couple of courses that you can go on my WAP and buy. You can spend $500 each on each course that teaches you how to trade Bitcoin using order flow. That's $1,000. However, you can have them free by joining my new Discord, which we're building and teaching students on how to use order flow. There is AI in there. I'm not going to cover the AI today, but if you want to have a quick look at the AI, I'm going to show you. Here's what an AI trade alert looks like in real time. Not It's done just before London opens. It told us the price is at 65,900, entry is 65,800, and first TP 66,200. So some students have taken this trade in the Discord because we are testing this AI before I release it. But it gives you live trades. It gives you live trades, and this is based on order flow, not the order flow you're looking in the screen behind you. It's my order flow software is a lot more sophisticated than this, which I will be releasing in January 2027. We're just doing some stuff, and it's all dynamic 3D, everything you see in 3D as well, and it's got full AI in there. I'm not trying to promote that or anything. I'm just trying to educate you that even if you do have AI, you still need to learn order flow. And the reason you need to learn order flow is so you can actually make money. Are you here to make money, or are you here to look at YouTube and trying to learn the basics? Because no one's going to teach you anything anyway. And even if they do, it's limited. So what do you want to do? You need to wake the fuck up. Do you understand? You need to learn order flow. So if you do want access to the order flow courses, and for somebody to answer those questions for you on how to, take trades, how to read order flow, how not to get trapped. Yeah, because I trade traps, and it's all about liquidity. Do you understand? And understanding liquidity, how it moves. You need to understand these things. The paid courses that I have on WAP are free, and in order to get those courses free, you can join Blofin, deposit whatever you want. There's a link in the description below which you can actually click on, and we will let you in the Discord, and you're going to learn a lot. And plus, you'll be also getting the AI system free as well, which is going to be a paid service when I release it. And that AI system is built on order flow software, which is the most advanced AI system out there. It's not Claude, it's not ChatGPT and all that shit. It's my own AI. Do you understand? And I'm going to start releasing some videos on that very shortly. So when we look at trades like this, this is a quick scale. Let's say you have $100 account, okay? $100 account, which is peanuts, okay? You could have made, right, and just in this move, let's say your target is to make $10 per trade, right? Well, there's $10 here, there's $10 there, there's $10 there. There's an expansion here, which could have been $10. So that's $50, right? And another trade here, which was given by the AI in that Discord, another $10. That's $50 there. You've made 50%. $1,000, $500, and just giving you bare minimum, figures basically. Really depends on your capital. Your job as a trader is to make money, get in, get out, and enjoy your life. Do you understand? It's not to go to wait for a trade or a breakout trade or listen to YouTubers saying, I'm going to go long now when the move's already happened. You want to be in the move before. You want to be positioned in before and exit out. Just something for you guys to think about. So if you do want to understand order flow, those paid courses which a lot of students have paid for are free in the Discord, plus indicators for the actual order flow softwares, and there's some other information in that Discord as well. So join Blofin today. They're giving you a deposit bonus and start making money. It's very easy to understand. Start making money, because your job as an individual, whether you're a man or a woman or a boy or a girl, well, when I said boy and girl, 18 plus, your job is to make money. When they're sitting in YouTube streams, listening to someone talk shit, you're not making money. You can make money yourself by actually understanding order flow. So I'm not shitting on anybody here, any YouTubers or anything. I'm just saying that there's a lot of crap out there, and if you want to learn how to make money, you know, you can join the Discord, and I'll show you how to make money. Very simple. And I am going to be holding private streams in that Discord, live trading with $2 to $3 million of capital. $2 to $3 million of capital, live trading. Now, you may not have that type of funding. It doesn't matter. Your job is to understand order flow and to win trades, because you can always get funding. If you learn this and learn how to trade, you can always get funding. There's ways of getting funding. So that's all I have for you guys today. Looking at BTC at the moment, really want to hold the 65.8 for a continuation up. Test of the VBAP would be good. It would be nice and healthy for a continuation up. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. And I was ranting on a bit today, but I'm just seeing a lot of people not make money and getting wrecked. So join Bluffin, join the Discord, and start making money. And if you don't make money, you can talk to me in the Discord. I'll show you how to make money. Simple. Peace out.